How to find your Facebook profile link. This tutorial will show you the quickest way to copy your Facebook profile URL. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile picture to open your Facebook profile page. Once your profile opens, look for the three-dot menu located up your top right corner and tap on it. If you don't see the Your Profile Link option on your Facebook app, don't worry. On some versions of Facebook, you'll only see options like Copy Profile Link or Share Profile. Simply tap Copy Profile Link to copy your Facebook profile URL instantly. If you see Share Profile, tap on it and then select Copy Link. That's it. Your Facebook profile link has now been copied, and you can paste it anywhere you want, such as messages, emails, websites, or social media platforms. This is the easiest way to find and copy your Facebook profile link using the Facebook app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.